Welcome to the GTI group of companies. At GTI, one area of specialty is transporting aviation and aerospace equipment, particularly aircraft engines for commercial and private planes. We're experts in transporting delicate, high-value cargo. With decades of experience and ongoing partnerships with high-value clients, we have established dedicated processes to safely meet the unique requirements to transport this type of equipment. Before leaving our facilities, GTI drivers must ensure their truck, trailer, and equipment, including tie-downs, chains, and chain binders, are in good working order. Our drivers have a checklist and a step-by-step process they follow for these pre-trip inspections. All GTI professional drivers are specifically trained to transport aircraft engines. They receive ongoing training from our safety team and driver trainers, routinely reviewing our standard operating procedures. There are different models of engine stands, which are floating platforms within a steel-framed chassis. Our drivers make sure to follow the correct steps of the corresponding standard operating procedure. Our procedures include step-by-step written instructions as well as photos for reference. Our drivers ensure the quality control paperwork is with the engine. We also confirm with the shipper the engine's destination. Once our drivers are certain of the engine and corresponding standard operating procedure, the shipper loads the engine with its stand onto our trailer. Now comes the most critical parts of the process, requiring focus and precision from our GTI team. For each and every aircraft engine move, we emphasize the tie-down and tarping procedures. The engine, along with its stand, must be tied down correctly, allowing the suspension system to protect the engine from stress or damage while being transported. When chaining down the engine and its stand, we ensure the chains do not affect the stand and its chassis. Drivers follow the shipper's chassis' markings on where to put the chains, in accordance to the GTI tie-down standard operating procedures. We pay close attention to two very important aspects of the process: tie-downs and tarping. Once the tie-down is completed, our driver takes photos of the load with their mobile device. While tarping, we do not stand on or pull rolled tarps onto the engine. Extra care is taken to avoid damaging this high-value cargo. The tarp is then unrolled and gently slid over the engine. Next, we use specifically designed tarps to completely cover the load. These tarps weigh 80 pounds versus the regular tarps that average 125 to 140 pounds. These lighter tarps protect the aircraft engines and reduce overall surface pressure. For additional safety and security, we cover the entire load with the tarp from top to bottom. This ensures privacy of the cargo while in transport. No pressure can be put on the engine. We do not place chains, straps, or bungee cords over the engine. Bungee cords must be placed on the sides. Our standard operating procedures include photos for reference. Once the GTI driver has finished tarping, additional photos are taken with their mobile device and sent to their dispatcher or driver manager. For every load, 8 photos are sent, 6 once loaded and tied down, and 2 after tarping. Once the work is approved by the driver manager, our driver can leave to transport the engine to the designated destination. If you have further questions about how we safely move aircraft engines throughout North America, please contact us.